Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a couple of products from the new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. So I have an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick. So we're just going to create a really nice eye look. You guys know Wet n Wild is one of my favorite drugstore brands, and their products are just such great quality for such an affordable price. So I'm loving how these products are looking so far. So I can't wait to try them out for you guys. So let's get started. Like I said, I have an eyeshadow palette, so the one that I picked up, I believe there are 3 to this collection, but the one that I picked up is this eyeshadow quad, and let's see the name. Oh, this is the Bed of Roses eyeshadow quad. So I'll just open this up so there's no glare from the packaging. So this is what it looks like. I think that's focused. So you have, these are the shades, and I love the way this one looks. I'm so excited for that one. And I just felt like this palette was just so pretty, and I just really loved this color. This color is just really the one that jumped out to me, and I can't wait to see the formula of these. Maybe I'll even swatch them, but look at how cute this detailing is. They made it look like little roses in each of the little eyeshadows, so that is so cute. And for the lipstick, today I have this Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick, and that's really nice because I didn't realize this was a gloss. Actually, I thought this was matte, but I guess it's not. So this is in the shade Petal Poison, and this is what it looks like. A super pretty shade. I cannot wait to see how this applies. Again, such cute detailing. You have the little roses and rose gold all the way around the top of the lipstick. We're going to just start out with the eyes. Obviously I did all my face makeup except for my highlighter. First I want to swatch these. So I'm going to swatch this shade. Such a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I love that shade. And then I'm just going to try the other shimmery. Oh my gosh, that's so pigmented. It's so pigmented. That is such a pigmented color. Wow, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see how these apply on my eyes. Wow. So I'm going to start out by adding my concealer to my lids. So we have a base. Might actually need to grab another palette just so that I have a lighter shade to transition with. So I'm just grabbing this Nude Awakening eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild as well, just to kind of stick with Wet n Wild. I'm just using this so that I have a couple of lighter transition shades before I apply the darker ones in the palette. I'm going to start just by applying this matte light cream shade, and I'm just setting the concealer with this on a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going into this light brown transition shade, just adding this into my crease. I'm going to go into this pretty deep burgundy shade. I'm just going to add this to my outer corner and blend it in. Blends super nice and easily. Pigmented, such a good eyeshadow. So pretty. As you can see, these blended so nicely, and that's just with a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm very happy with these so far, but I wasn't expecting anything less from Wet n Wild. So now I'm going to go into this deeper purpley shade. I feel like it's just a really deep purple, and I'm just adding this to the outer corner. Ooh, I know what I might do today. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my beauty blender to just clean up this edge on the side here, because I think I'm going to go for like a sharper eyeshadow look today. So what you do, you can use a card, you can use tape, whatever you want. But because I already have my face makeup on, I'm not going to use tape. Just lay it down in line with how you want your eyeshadow. Going into that deep shade, and I'm just blending this on the outer corner of my eye, and then you have a super sharp edge. Now same thing on the other eye. Actually use this as a guide for your wing later on, but I don't know if I'll do a wing now because this might just look good enough. I'm just dragging that down, blending it in. Now I'm going back into the burgundy on a blending brush again and just adding this to the center of my crease. Now I'm just going to use my concealer and just clean up this part of my lid, the inner half, so that we can apply those shimmery shades. I'm going in with a flat eyeshadow brush, and this one's actually from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to add this gorgeous shimmery color in the top right corner here. I love this shade. And I'm just adding this all over that concealer. It's so pigmented. And then I'm going back into the deeper shade, and I'm going back into the shade right here, just blending the edge. I'm going to use this gorgeous color and just apply this to the inner quarter part of my lid, because that is just such a pretty shade. I'm just going to go into the burgundy shade again and apply this to my lower lash line. Now, to finish off the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my absolute favorite highlighter that I'll be using on my face later on when the eyes are done. But this is the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit Loose Highlighting Powder. I love this product so much. I've used it so many times, and there's so much product in this for the money. It is amazing. So, highly recommend. If you have not tried this out yet, you need to go check it out. It is amazing. So I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and brow bone. Just be careful, because a little bit goes a very long way with this. I'm just going to actually add a little bit of this to the center of my lids to really make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more, like add a highlight to the center of my lids. Going in with my NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and this will be super easy because we already have this line here to sort of just start us out. So now to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to add some lashes and mascara. And like I said, for highlighter, I am going to use that same highlighter that I used to highlight my eyes. And now for lips, I'm using my Petal Poison lipstick, actually high shine lipstick, so like lip gloss, I guess. I'm just going to apply this. Oh, that's such a pretty color. So this is the finished look. I really love these products. The eyeshadow palette is so pigmented, the colors are gorgeous, and they blend so nicely, and there's really no fallout. So definitely recommend the palette. As far as the lip gloss goes, this is such a pretty color, pigmented, and it's not sticky at all. So that's definitely something that I look for in a lip gloss. And yeah, so you guys already know how much I love the highlighter. I've talked about that before in my videos on my Instagram. I'm obsessed with that one. So yeah, I definitely love these products. Highly recommend them to you guys. I love the look that you're able to create with this palette. It's like spring products are usually lighter, so this is like a darker spring collection, which is really nice. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there. You guys can let me know down below in the comments what your favorite spring makeup product is right now. And if you can't wait for summer, because I can't wait for summer, you guys could tag Wet n Wild or share this video. Maybe Wet n Wild see it, and that would be really great, and I really appreciate that from you guys. There's an airplane again. This happens a lot in these videos. Why are there airplanes? So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!